If your battery dies and your car is on electronic handbrake, you might not be able to move it at all. That's the part nobody tells you. But at the same time, electronic handbrake can stop the car safely at 60 miles per hour if your main brake falls. So, which one is actually better, the old lever or pressing the button? Let's get into it. How they actually work? Let's keep it simple. Manual handbrake. You pull the lever, a steel cable tightens, brake pads clamp the wheels, and pure mechanical connection happens. No computer, no drama. Electronic handbrake. You press the button, control unit sends a signal. Electric motors on the brake, caliper clamps the pads. No cables, just wires and software. That's not just a design change, that's a completely different philosophy. Next one, pros and cons. Let's compare them properly. So, first one is reliability. A manual handbrake is mechanically simple. As long as the cable doesn't seize, it works. And the biggest advantage, it works even if your battery is completely dead. An electronic handbrake depends on electronics and battery power. If the system has no power, it may not operate at all. You can't push it, you can't roll it, you need power or tools. And on used cars, if electronic handbrake doesn't work properly, that's an instant 30, 150, 100 pounds negotiation point. Motors on calipers are not cheap. Point convenience. A manual handbrake takes up space in the cabin, and it's a physical lever and you actually need to pull it with some power, you know. An electronic handbrake, it frees up this space. Manufacturers use it to add storage or cup holders. You just press a button and that's it, done. Extra functions. A manual handbrake does one thing only, it holds the car in place. That's it. An electronic handbrake can integrate with features like AutoHub or hill start assist. It becomes part of car's electronic driving system. And in UK traffic with endless lights and queues, that feature alone makes electronic handbrake worse. Next point, maintenance. So, with a manual handbrake, if something feels loose, you adjust the cable. Usually cheap and simple, that's it. And with electronic handbrake, if the motor inside the caliper falls, you often replace the entire caliper assembly. That's significantly more expensive. Another one, extreme driving. It was actually a new for me when I prepared this video. So if you pull a manual handbrake at 60 miles per hour, you will likely lock the rear wheels and lose control, yeah? But on the most modern cars, holding the electronic handbrake button while driving activates control emergency braking through the ABS system. All four wheels controlled, stable, and that can actually save your life. To summarize, manual handbrake is about control and simplicity. Electronic handbrake is about comfort and technology. Don't miss out, subscribe for more.